Do you want to know how to create your own edge device by using the Industrial Edge Device Kit? Then welcome to our tutorial, which will guide you through the basic integration of the Industrial Edge Runtime, which is the heart of the Industrial Edge Device Kit. Before we start, there is one important thing to know. If you're using the Industrial Edge Device Kit, often called the IEDK, to create a device, you will be known as a device builder in the Industrial Edge ecosystem. This role comes with responsibility. You will be developing, maintaining, and supporting the edge devices you introduce to the platform. Now let's take a look at what's ahead in today's session. We'll begin with the prerequisites, the essential requirements you'll need before you start. Then we'll guide you through how to get access to the Industrial Edge Hub and show you where to find all the packages you'll need. Next, we'll walk step by step through installing these packages on your device. After that, we'll cover how to create and upload a new device type for your integration and how to onboard your device and get started. Finally, we'll wrap up with a summary and conclusion, focusing on what's needed for commercial onboarding and what it means to become a certified device builder. So, follow along and get ready to master the basic integration of the Industrial Edge Device Kit. Before you begin, make sure you have a few prerequisites in place. You will need at least one physical or virtual device, equipped with an operating system like Linux. Make sure you have terminal access to your device, either directly or through SSH, so you can execute commands as needed. You will also need to have Docker installed, since these are essential for running Industrial Edge components. Ensure your device is up to date and connected to the internet so you can download the necessary packages. To get started, purchase your personal Industrial Edge Hub access at the Industrial Edge Marketplace. This is required as the Industrial Edge Hub is the single entry point for everything in Industrial Edge. Here, you'll find all the relevant software and tools to set up your development environment. Once your hub access has been set up, contact the Industrial Edge ecosystem team to be onboarded as a device builder and request a role assignment. Their contact details are shown on the screen. Next, log into the Industrial Edge Hub. Here, you'll create your own device builder instance of Industrial Edge Management. Make sure to enable the device builder feature. This will allow you to work with your custom device types and firmware in the future. If you need step-by-step guidance for setting up Industrial Edge Management, be sure to consult the official documentation for detailed instructions. You'll need to download the required packages from the Industrial Edge Hub. Navigate to the Device Builder section, where you can find and download the Industrial Edge Device Kit, along with the Industrial Edge Device Type Generator. These tools are essential for customizing and managing your devices within the Industrial Edge ecosystem. Before we begin the main procedure, let's take a moment to review the components involved. In this tutorial, we'll be focusing specifically on the colored components. As mentioned in the prerequisites, they are a device with an operating system and Docker, and the runtime of its deployment is an essential part of this tutorial. Once the initial setup is complete, the device can be onboarded to the Industrial Edge Management System. This step is essential as it provides access to the broader Industrial Edge ecosystem. Through this connection, you'll be able to manage applications, users, and various functionalities within your industrial environment. Now let's walk through the step-by-step installation process. This step is essential as it provides access to the broader Industrial Edge ecosystem. Through this connection, you'll be able to manage applications, users, and various functionalities within your industrial environment. Now let's walk through the step-by-step installation process. Your Industrial Edge Runtime is now installed and running. If you see your container in the list, the setup was successful. You're ready to proceed the device type creation and integration. Device types serve as the representation of your edge device within Industrial Edge Management. They are essential for specialized onboarding interfaces and firmware management tasks. To simplify the process of creating a device type, we use the Industrial Edge Device Type Generator. After downloading the device type generator in the previous step, you'll need to unzip the file. Once extracted, you can start the generator and begin creating your custom device type as follows. By the process of creating a device type, we use the Industrial Edge Device Type Generator. After downloading the device type generator in the previous step, you'll need to unzip the file. Once extracted, you can start the generator and begin creating your custom device type as follows. As we progress, you will need to upload the device type you created earlier to Industrial Edge Management. Please note that this tutorial does not cover the setup process for Industrial Edge Management itself. If you need help with the setup, please refer to the official Industrial Edge documentation for detailed instructions. Now let's dive into the upload process you created earlier to Industrial Edge Management. Please note that this tutorial does not cover the setup process for Industrial Edge Management itself. If you need help with the setup, please refer to the official Industrial Edge documentation for detailed instructions. Now let's dive into the upload process. In the next screencast, it will be shown how to onboard your Industrial Edge device using your Industrial Edge device type. Also, we use the application management capabilities and install an application from the ecosystem. In the next screencast, it will be shown how to onboard your Industrial Edge device using your Industrial Edge device type. Also, we use the application management capabilities and install an application from the ecosystem. That's it! Your device is now onboarded and running its first application, managed entirely through the Industrial Edge management. To make your new device broadly available and commercially viable within the Industrial Edge ecosystem, you need to complete the commercial onboarding process in close collaboration with the Industrial Edge ecosystem team. This process involves several key requirements and obligations. First, it's essential to engage early with the ecosystem team. They will provide guidance, help assign roles, and support you throughout the onboarding journey. Next, your device must meet established security and quality guidelines. This includes adhering to the device security guidelines, which cover secure boot and firmware, protection of credentials and identity, secure communications and updates, and ongoing vulnerability management. You will also need to provide documentation and proof of compliance as part of the approval process. Additionally, your device offering must comply with the ecosystem framework. This framework outlines your responsibilities for maintaining, supporting, and updating your device, as well as requirements for publishing, removal, compatibility, certification, compliance, and handling support incidents. Finally, you must complete all legal and commercial steps before you can publish your device to the marketplace. This includes finalizing contracts, licenses, and any required compliance paperwork. Working together with the ecosystem team paves the way for a transparent, smooth, and successful go-to-market launch for your Industrial Edge device. Let's quickly recap what we accomplished together in this tutorial. First, we discussed the prerequisites and setup steps needed before you start your integration journey. You learned how to access the Industrial Edge Hub and download all the necessary packages. We then walked through installing the Industrial Edge Runtime using the device kit. After that, you saw how to create and upload your own device type, onboard it to Industrial Edge management, and take your very first steps with the platform. Finally, we covered the commercial onboarding requirements and explained what it takes to become a certified device builder. If you're interested in diving even deeper, don't miss our video on extended device integration, where we explore more advanced integration concepts and features. A quick note: some sections in this tutorial have been shortened for clarity and time. For more detailed guidance, additional device building concepts, and technical information, be sure to visit the official public documentation. Thank you for joining us, and have fun exploring your new Industrial Edge device. We'll see you in the next tutorial.